Asibingelele imbukeli weReal Nqubeko TV igama lami Nqubeko Ndlela. Namhlanje ngithe angilande umhlonishwa ukhansela uNtsele ophinda abe usihlalo kaCommunity community portfolio. Mhlonishwa asikubingelele sikwamukele ntambama.
Ngithokoze Nqubeko kuwena nakubalaleli bakho beReal Nqubeko TVs.
Mhlonishwa ngifisa nje ukusithatha usibeke sibonile namhlanje bekune clean up campaign engicabanga ukuthi ngaphansi kwakho wena oyiphethe. Mhlawumbe akusibeke ukuthi kuhambe kanjani namhlanje.
Oqala angibingelele umhlonishwa umeya uMthiyane umeya wethu waNangoma. Sakhamuso oqala ngibingelele umhlonishwa somlomo umna wami soJozel uDeputy Mayor umfowethu Livuno isakhamuso zawaNangoma zonke. Angisho oqala ukuthi umkhandlo waNangoma uneminyango ehlukahlukene.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke anginikezwe wena ngo deployment kaMhlonishwa umeya ungithumele kwa community njengelunga le-executive.
Okay.
Ukuthi angibuka umnyango waka community. Umnyango wa community ke unama department amaningi. Traffic ungaphansi kwa community.
No traffic ungaphansi.
Traffic ungaphansi kwa community. So disaster ungaphansi kwa community and no social services.
Okay.
So yonke le umnyango i5 sonke if I'm not mistaken. Okuthinda nje ukuhlanza kwedolobha, uboshwa kweemonto nokwenziwa konke ukuthatha konke amathikithi nokulungiswa komgwaqo nalabo becisha umlilo ngohlalwa khona ngamanye amazwi nje nguMEC wakhona uMEC wakhona. Anyway ke ngicabanga ukuthi umhlonishwa umeya ubuke ukuthi ngakwazi ukwenza lokho ngoba we are communicating now and again. Ayikho into siyenza njengo community engayazi ngoba kuzoyiwa nje mhlangeni uzoba ingxenye ungafuna ukuthi ngisondele sizobriefana ukuthi what is all about kuzobe kwenzakalani sisuka phi sikuphi. Umuntu ebesehlalisa ikomiti engu-chairperson walo inamalunga awu9 ehlanganisa amaqembu onke ezepolitiki kodwa u-chairperson wakhona yimina. So ke namhlanje ngosuku oluhle umhlonishwa umeya ubese sithumezela ukuthi uyacela to community ngesimo sokuthi uyabona waNangoma izimo zokucleana zinhle kahle inhlanzeko ngoba uNongoma njengehlanko sifuna ukuhlala inhlanzeko. So ke sine programs ezothi each and every month hayi ngoba siqala namhlanje kuzophelana each and every month nomnyango wa community sizoba busy la edolobheni siclean edolobha neindawo eseduze zakhela idolobha bazosibona no High City sikwazi ukuthi le mob sibe ndawonye siyocleana khona bazosibona na ku Dilini lezindawo zakhela idolobha bazosibona nakhona la
ku Red Hill.
And then into esibuke namhlanje sinomhlonishwa umeya sikhulumisane ngokuthi lapha eGqikaza close Red Hill kuzofuna ukuthi ucommunity uthi more focus khona ukuclean lezi yahlahla. So ucommunity uneminyango eminingi noPound ungaphansi kwa community ngoba ngisho mfowethu Nqubeko as you can see inkomo lezi esedolobheni sizozama ukudila nazo very soon. Abafowethu abasebenza kuzona bekwazi ukuthi sibuke ukuthi isimo kuzoya kanjani phambili ukuze uma ungena nje waNangoma ngiyazi ukuthi ku-clean and then that's why one of the eminye iminyaka sathola award esuka environment kuba clean. Yes
sathola nesheke.
Yes ayina nesheke yabona ibillboard ka 800,000 umpakazi ethe ngayitness leyo yazi Cape Town kodwa nje into esinethemba lokuthi sizobambisana noza kwethu kube khona okwenzakalayo. So ilokho engadlulisa ngalo
kubuka kumnyango omkhulu lo umhlonishwa uNtsele ukuthi izinto ezinkulu kangaka ukwazi ukuzengamela ngoba uyathola ukuthi kuye kwenzeke lezi zinto ukuthi zenzeka kanye zonke ngosuku olodwa kumele uattende konke ngoba kuthinta umnyango ophethwe wena.
Now the most important Nqubeko ngifuna ukusho the experience.
Okay.
I-account and then in my young age kade ngiyi superintendent ka Bidford Port Operation ehaba le engangenza khona import and export la engangicalibrate khona izinto eziningi ezisuka out of i-province ziza la. So ngicabanga ukuthi umhlonishwa umeya angibeya wakhe lapho ubonile ukuthi I can handle all those things but ke okubalekile noma kunjalo leminyango ngoba uma ngibuka nje unabasebenza aba close to 90. So ngicabanga ukuthi sizobambisana ngenhlanhla ke uhead was manager ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo no acting HOD sizobambisana senze kahle ukuthi izinto ziya kahle ngoba kuningi okusazokwenzakala kodwa nje sinethemba lokuthi no akukho okwethu nje ukuthi sibe polite sihloniphane kuzinto zikwazi ukuthi abantu baNangoma bethole service delivery.
Sisuke ke lokho mhlonishwa kwema portfolio nani hayi ngiyakuthi kuyasinda kukhulu kakhulu ngiyazi uphinde ube ward councillor ka ward 10
Yes.
sibonile ukuthi unane program futhi ozoyenza kaWard 10 mhlawumbe ukuthatha umbukeli umbeke ngale program yakho ozoyenza kaWard 10.
Yes, Ngqubeko umuntu ame champion there. Senginesikhathi eside ngo-champion kaWard 10. Ngiyakhumbula I used to call you ukuthi oza sizosebenza Ngqubeko.
Yeah.
And then ama-special programs into esenhlizweni yami. Into yokuhlanganisa abantu abasha into esenhlizweni yami. As you can see sisuka kuJune 16 nje. Ngwenze nje wayivavavume Ward 10 Ngqubeko but ke you'll pick up ama record along the way. Ngikwazile ukuthi ngibe nengoma, ngakwazi ukuba nezemidlalo and then all those things Ngqubeko umuntu kuba khona sibanika khona ngoba sisuke senzele ukuthi abantu abasha bengagcini befocus edakamizweni. Kodwa is not about ukuthi siba award ngama prizes. Before sibe nalama programs siba ne speech esedlulisa ukubana
sibalekile futhi
sisho ukuthi bangabaholi bakusasa but rather than that kade seku Women's Month, I mean I'm sorry sisenyangeni yamadoda umuntu akatholanga ithuba kodwa ke uzobona njengamanje ngoba kwenyanga abantu besifazana Ngqubeko I started the programs yokuthi ngidila nabantu besifazane widows and orphans. I'm assisting them there and there lapha engibalekelela khona ukuthi
bekwa abantu abahlale bebuka ngathi abanakeki kakhulu.
No especially
ngiyajabula mangibona uba nama program kanjena azoqonda nabo ngqo ikakhulukazi abafelokazi nezintandane
especially aba disabled Ngqubeko ngoba ithi into yethu thina asilekelela abantu abaneeds ngempela. We cannot actually assist all of them. You see if we are emawadina enkalekise nje abantu balakana ngoma sebebonke ba 102,000. So eWard 10 sabantu aba 4,700 and then I mean 1,400 I'm sorry 1,400. All these people ukufuna ukuthi ucancel unsele kube khona la thinta khona but noma ngeke bethinteke bonke as ngimention nje ukuthi linyanga abafazana ngiqale kahle khona umndeni usuvakashele we are planning to do something bigger but I'll call you say invite noma ama sesibhiz lapho and then sivakashile kuleyo mndeni siyabona ama challenge ababhekene nawo but still under the carpet ngisene process ethizeni sibafikele ne grocer no blankets enzele siso motivator lo yamndeni ingakho ngithi ngibhizi nabantu besifazana abangabafela kwazi nezintandane so Ngqubeko ngey 30 ikisikhona ilokhuzana iposter seyikhona bayibona ya security enkundleni ngey 30 to 31
kuyo lenyanga
kuyo August it's a youth month I mean say it's a women's month kune programs engiyenzile lapha it's amazing it's amazing ngoba ibuka ibizwa nge-Councillors Cup lapho what I did because I'm being authorized by Structures Act umthetho South Africa if you authorize by umphakathi ukuthi uma unama programs owafunayo ngeke uzorely ku institution okuyona yako kosoma business they got the right ukuthi babuyisele emphakathini so fana ne programs enkulu la nge-Councillors Cup izoba khona this year izoba in fact next year I'm planning to have league award Ngqubeko. It's a league award that is going to be happen izoqala ngoApril iphele ngoDecember. I think lo league funa budget about 50,000 bese aba league award. So ikhomba ukutshela ukuthi each and every month ngoba ngithi ngibhekene nabantu abasha each and every month ongama sport field aba trainings wa treater azoba we good condition ngazi ukuthi i-team A team B lapha but let us come back to this one because kunomcimbi omkhulu lapha obizwa nge-Councillors Cup. Ngizobe ngikhipha ama-food parcel ama-food parcel engwa-expectile of 50. Don't ask me where I'm getting don't ask me where I'm getting it because Ngqubeko I remember one time and then some of my friends Kapit Vesle ngangi-superintendent khona nge-COVID ngo-2020 they actually they came with ama-food parcel bafika no-300 you remember Ngqubeko?
Ngiyakhumbula.
I went and convinced them and said with them no, there's a problem we're facing in our country. People that cannot afford 1, 2, 3 because you remember ngaleso sikhathi abantu bakuna lockdown bengakwazi ukuyemsebenzi mekalweni insuku ethizeni and then they were not affording. These people end up to come down nama-food parcel from their own pocket. Ama-food parcel no 300 umpangazethu I can witness that ngase ngithi because I'm not that person ngase ngithi wonke amakhansela wathole lokho so asalekele ngoba kuyasetshenziswa today I got 50 food parcels
khona lapha
ewadini ngisazohlala nezinduna sibukisana ukuthi ngoba ama video 7 at least how I'm going to assist mhlambe 10-10 but it depend ukuthi VD inkulu kangakanani sazohlala ke nasibuka ukuthi yiphi imndeni esingayilekelela I wish nawe nqubeke ubukhona uzobe kun entertainment lapha
so bese khona la
uspeaker nje uyena impela uzobe jive uspeaker umbono ngibona ukuthi siyakwazi ukujive kodwa i-guest speaker kuzobeka umhlonishwa umeya and then sibhizi kakhulu and ezemidlalo kunama prizes wabonile ngwabekile lapho ukuthi how much are going to receive and on top of that sizobe sikhuluma nabo ngoba kubalekile ukuthi message bayithola ukuze befike kule agency kuyona mina nawe enqubeka ikuphi okufuna bak-avoid ngoba it's not about to hand out ama food parcel nokubanika ama prizes
abafundi something nendlela yokuyiphatha cha Mhlonishwa ngicabanga uyihlahlele kahle ngicabanga ukuthi imphakathi wa 10 njengoba selemzeli Mhlonishwa ekhuluma ukuthi lukhulu liyeza lanyelela ngempela intaka ibekela amazolo kuyobe kunjalo siyathembisa nathi ukuthi sobe sikhona mhlambe ke Mhlonishwa sesigoqa nje angathina wakho wokuphetha nje osukwini namhlanje
okubalekile inqubeko osukwini namhlanje ngifuna ukusho ukuthi inyanga abantu besifazane le isenhlizweni yami don't touch umuntu wesifazane okay you can touch umuntu wesifazane but ungamhlukumezi akabeke isandla namhlanje not namhlanje asibavikele ingakho umholi wethu umuntu onaphinda angena mayekhuluma ngesinye isikhathi uyakhuluma ukuthi abantu besifazane bangavumeli ukwenza 1 2 no 3 kodwa yena waqhamuka authorizer walekelela ukuthi lokho akube khona emthethweni ukuthi abantu besifazane babe sebuholini you see now wesilandela ifiso nezimiso zakhe
yikho sesibona nje kukhona nje amakhansela abantu besifazane
namakhosi ngubeka I'm sorry ngento enza abantu abadala kuneyinduna zabantu besifazane kunamakhansela abantu besifazane because umuntu onaphinda angene wayibeka ukuthi yonke lento akulingana kusetshenziswana yilokho nje nqubeka ngisho ukuthi nokukhula sizokubona kuzosetshenzwa kunomhlangano enginawo nje kwenye ama VD kade ngikhuluma no chairperson wakhona on Friday ngiyodedela ithombo ufuna abantu bemhlabathi
phezulu leza debethola nje kule maviki adlule
no leave that one I'm in the game ngiyodedela ithombo ngiyodedela ama food parcel ukuthi how much part it be the food parcel there yes nqubeka mfethu ngithokoza kakhulu
Mhlonishwa sibonge kakhulu
ngithokoza usazobona kusazosetshenzwa umeya akafuna umuntu ohlala phansi umhlonishwa umeya Sontshekazi kusazogijinywa 24/7
Wizwele mbukeli bengageqa amagule ngemuke Mhlonishwa aphinda abosihlalo kwa community mningi leminyanga iphetheyo nezinto ezingaka zenzewadini kodwa ke siyabonga ukuthi namhlanje sithole nje isikhathi sokukhuluma naye Serial Nqubeko TV sithemba ukuthi na kanjani futhi ngosuku lomcimbi sokuthatha sikubeke okuyobe kwenzeka ngalelo langa sibonga kakhulu siphinde sibonane ngokuzayo
thank you very much Nqubeko